Attack fire! Boom 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 boom. Amen. Ha? Naka.
Anak.
Naka-zoom. Tidun. Dun. Okay, once again, welcome to my channel. This is Joel Cibulo, Life of a Seafarers. Now we're going to show you around with this new installed scrubber. So the purpose of why we are here is to check the weld, if the welding on the exhaust pipe is perfectly good. We have to check all the exhaust piping, such as the main exhaust pipe from main engine, the 3 auxiliary generators exhaust pipe, the incinerator exhaust pipe, and also the boiler exhaust pipe, because these all cut, and to give way for the scrubber to be put and installed on our ship. So all of this exhaust piping is actually cut. So you can see on my right side, this already been welded, and this will be the important things to inspect during this time. So far everything's look good, and as I saw, the welding on the 3 generators is really perfect, because most of all of the welder in the shipyards is licensed welder, so definitely they do their part. They're very good at what they do. And also you can check here at this point, this is the joint, flexible joints that was connected to the main scrubber in the upper part of the scrubber. This will be the main exhaust that's going out on the ship's panel, and basically they have also some connection there that have to be pitted, because it's really need to have expansion during this very big part for the vibration, of course, and it should be pitted perfectly. Okay, now we're going to go out on the main top of the panel. This is where all the outlets of the exhaust piping are located. So we have here also the upper platform. This hatch cover should be perfectly sealed during navigation. So we'll now be carrying out the final inspection of all the exhaust panels from main engine, generator, incinerator, and boiler. So this is the new installed pipings, because it was replaced with the installation of the scrubber. So definitely this really have to be inspected properly. Special point to be checked is the bracings, the bracing of all the exhaust pipe to be checked, including the bolts and nuts.
Ito yung harap ng aming barko. Saan ba tayo? Nandun ay, yung pula na panel.
So we are here on the panel for inspections of the scrubbers. And the Navy's there. Mahangin. So we are here at the You can see the welding that was done by the welder. It's really perfect. So it's look like done by the machine, but actually it's done by some professional welder who work in this shipyard. So as you can see, the final weld is definitely good and perfect. So we have a Navy Frigate behind our ship. This was also being repaired. I believe this one just come out from the dry dock, and the final checking and inspection and class approval probably will be done here before they depart on the shipyard.
Thanks for watching. Please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to keep you notified to our latest videos.